It's lunchtime, and this is Brad Anderson's Lunch Break. Here in Redmond, we're visited by some of the smartest people on the planet, pretty much every day. Every chance I get, I meet up with them for lunch. This week, I wrap up my conversation with Sigal Zarmi, the global CIO and vice chairwoman of PricewaterhouseCoopers. Do you believe that as you move to the cloud, you're actually more secure than running on-prem?
I believe we are. I think that companies that are providing cloud services have no choice, and they're investing a lot of efforts and money to make sure it is secure. And they're probably investing much more than I can ever invest. So to me, they're focused on security, and they're focused on making moving to the cloud easier and running in the cloud easier and providing me with all of the dashboards and stats that I need the most efficient way. I think that's the business. We have made a decision a few years ago to move everything to the cloud first, unless there is a regulatory reason where we need it on-prem. Okay. And we are on the journey. We are moving a lot of things to the cloud, our collaboration, new projects, existing systems, a lot of work we are doing to uplift existing applications. So not just new stuff, but also existing things. Move it from data centers that we have into the cloud first. And we have seen the benefits. And it's not just low cost. We really have seen the benefits in flexibility, agility, the ability to scale up and down as needed. You have a much better flexibility around your support model.
I'd love to get some thoughts from you about how the role of the CIO is evolving more and more into one who's driving the culture change about how work gets done and how people create.
It used to be that the CIO just worried about the systems, the infrastructure. Then it went on that the CIO is worried about security and enterprise applications and making sure that things are working efficiently. Now, it's all about culture. It's all about culture. The way employees are working with technology is so instrumental to the way to deliver value to either the clients or within the organization that you have to make sure you focus on how we work, not just what tools we use, but how do we leverage those tools? How do those tools are available for us to be more effective, more agile, more flexible, and deliver higher value to the customers?
It's about enabling users.
It's enabling users to be flexible, to have the tools that they need to do their job, and let them decide. How do they use a myriad of tools to make sure that they are the most productive ones, and let them decide how they can add value to their clients, to the clients' clients. You know, it's not just my customers, it's my clients' customers that I want to add value to.
I saw some research that you published, PwC did, on the 80% of senior leaders, CEOs, have really prioritized increasing their diversity of their companies. So what do you think organizations stand to lose if they're not as diverse as they should be?
Look, every organization wants to have the best team, right? You want to have the best team to win, and the best team doesn't come from 50% of the population.
Well said.
So you need to look at diversity, that's specifically to gender diversity. Now, when you think about other diversity, I think it makes a much stronger team to have diversity of opinions, of backgrounds, of different experiences. And if you want to win, you have to be diverse.
It has been a sincere pleasure, seriously.
Same here. That was wonderful. Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you very, very much. We'll see you again.
All right, see you.
Next time on Brad Anderson's Lunch Break. So the original secret formula of Coca-Cola was kept in SunTrust vaults from 1925 to 2011. What did you think when you realized that the formula was gone?